हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द न्यू क्लास। आज की क्लास में हम इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी सीखेंगे जिसमें हमारा पहला वर्ड है रिलक्टेंस। रिलक्टेंस कहते हैं हिचकिचाहट को, यानी हिचकिचाहट की कैफियत, मुज़ाहमत या मुखालफत। इसकी रूट वर्ड है रिलक्टेंट। रिलक्टेंट मुज़ब्ज़ब या मुज़ाहम। इसकी एग्जांपल है Nokia's reluctance to customize phones for specific operators. A policy it has since reversed didn't help. Nokia's reluctance to customize phones for specific operators. A policy it has since reversed didn't help. The second example is it returns out that the reluctance to take risk it is mainly a phenomena of Western markets. Synonyms of reluctance: unwillingness, objections, dislike.
The second word is complied. Complied का माना है हुक्म बजा लाना, पूरा करना, अमल दरामद करना। इसकी रूट वर्ड है comply, बात मान लेना यानी सुनना। इसकी एग्जांपल्स है he complied without argument. He complied without argument. The second example is the judge complied, turning down a chance to argue the issues before the appeals court. The judge complied, turned down a chance to argue the issues before the appeals court. इसकी synonyms है follow, submit, और इसकी antonym है ignore, reject.
Third word of this class is disburse. Disburse अदा करना, खर्च करना, सर्व करना। इसकी रूट फॉर्म है disburse. The example of disburse is the department can only disburse such a funds after all applicable permitting issues are resolved. Of disburse: distribute, contribute, and the antonym of take, toll. The fourth word of this class is consequence. Consequence का माना है नताइज। इसकी रूट वर्ड है consequent, नतीजे की तौर पर रहनुमा होना। इसकी एग्जांपल्स है if they wanted a deal at any price they would have to face the consequences. If they wanted a deal at any price they would have to face the consequences. I believe I am capable of getting the political consequences accurately. I believe I am capable of calculating the political consequences accurately. Synonyms of consequence is effect, issue, result, outcome. And the antonym of consequence is source, cause. The fifth word of this class is disobedience. नाफरमानी, हुक्म अदूली या सरकशी को कहते हैं disobedience. इसकी रूट वर्ड है disobedient, नाफरमान। इसकी एग्जांपल है he saw the moon of Jupiter, object that circled another heavenly body and direct disobedience of the church's teaching. He was a key figure in the Indian National Congress and led the Indian nationalist movement against British rule, criticized by a company and civil disobedience and non-violent resistance. The synonyms are for disobedience, defense, and friction. Thanks for watching. If you are new at my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel.